Um, Governor Hope Uzodinma, please listen to me, sir. Where is Nonso Oba? Governor Hope Uzodinma, where is your brother Nonso Oba? This is the way God in heaven will ask you about Nonso Oba if anything happens to him. You will agree with me if you watched my video that I never supported Nonso Oba, the approach he used in communicating his message that brought about the showing that he accused you of masterminding the incessant killing going on in Imo State. In as much as he might be saying the truth, but the approach is what I condemn. Because you politicians can do undo. Because of desperation, that you don't want anybody to say anything against you, you don't want them to criticize you, anything can happen to anybody. So I only condemn him not to be bold enough or stand in a way and be calling you or telling whatever he discovered he say you have done. So I don't know whether he's saying the truth or not, but my only point is approach. That's what brought about him being arrested, that he accused you. Fine and good. He deserved to be arrested. He deserved to be taken to custody. But this thing happened since 27th of July. Governor, are you not touched that this is a man that has family feeding under him? This is a man that communicates to people so various information. He has so many cases at hand. He has been a vessel to reconciliation and in so many ways. He is being held under custody against the law of the land that said that this is a bailable offense. And you think you cannot be bailed? Approaches have been made to you for him to be released. Governor, you don't care. It's okay. Let me tell you something. Everybody can be criticized. If Buhari, Grochas was criticized, or Hakim was criticized, Udonwa was criticized, why is your own criticism will always go into something else? Governor, you are governor today. Tomorrow you might not be governor. Where is your Hakim? Is this the governor? Is this the governor? Rochas now, is this the governor? You are governor today, you might not be tomorrow. I want you to remember that Nonso might lose his life. But the blood of innocent that been taken by going anyhow or whatever administration, whatever, we speak one day. I'm not doing this. Somebody called me that I should stop talking about your case, that you are picking everybody that says, well, if everybody would one day go down, it is once appointed man to die after that judgment. So the problem is not that you say, how did you die and what killed you? If it happened that it's my truth that killed me, to God be the glory. But I want to plead with you, Governor, let him be granted bail. To go. The lawyers have gathered, everybody spoken to you, nobody, you don't want to hear. It's unfair. But I know God will ask you, where is the blood? The blood of your brother is crying from the grave if anything happened to Nonso Oba. You are a Roman Catholic member. Nonso is working for the Roman Catholic at Sumter Cathedral. Why not respect the Catholic institution, release him to them if you think he's going to run away if his bail is being granted? Or you don't know more respect for God anymore or men of God? I don't know. So, Governor, please, if you watch this video, or those your followers or allies, the workers, or whosoever that works with you, they see this video, I plead with them to tread caution by giving the person due respect of his own human right. Let him be released and continue the case or whatever court decide. You know, you guys are above the law. You can do and do. But remember, there is always tomorrow. Thank you. Somebody please help me share this video. Let it get to them. Release Nonso Oba. We need him now. Please. God bless you.
If you no get information, you are already deformed. Why not go to your YouTube? Jovika TV. Hey, you want come for Facebook? Jovika TV. Instagram and Twitter. Jovika TV. You want them for TikTok. Jovika TV. I mean now WhatsApp you want them. Jovika TV. Jovika TV, poised to reach you with the truth.